doing out there, ladies and gentlemen? Leon Keith here. I just wanted to take a quick second to share with you how I was able to take $100 to $500 in just one day trading the foreign exchange market. Now, I always get tons of questions, emails, inboxes, text messages about how quickly can a small balance be flipped. And I was actually able to do this in a day without risking too much of my capital at any given time. So I just want to go ahead and share with you guys how I was able to do that. It's pretty simple. Let's jump right in. All right. So as you can see, guys, I started this account with $118, and we know that this is a live account simply because you can't transfer balances or have any bonus write-offs on demo accounts, right? So right away, I saw gold was setting up for the sell, and I sold gold and pretty much doubled my account on that one quick sell. It took like 15 minutes. It was one bar, in and out, doubled the account, and that's trading. All right. Now, unfortunately, I don't have a screenshot of that one trade, but moments after I closed out profits on that trade, I saw UJ, and what I saw on UJ, USDJPY, was this huge 100 pip buy. Now, after you see a huge move like this to the upside, you expect price to stall out like it did, pretty much make a level and drop from there. And basically, you're expecting a retracement. Now, everybody in their MT4, you have retracement tools and expansion tools. You want to use your Fibonacci retracement tool for this like I did. I drew my fib from the low to the high because I was expecting the market to continue to push higher. And I was looking for the retracement to come in at anywhere between 62 and 79%. And that's exactly what the market did. It kind of set up perfectly for us. They gave us all these wicks to the downside, which is kind of signaling to us that the market was turning around. And that's what we were expecting based off this huge up move. So I went ahead and entered the market. Because of this entry, the name of this trade is entry, entry, entry. And that's how this account flip was so possible so quickly because of because of the entry, guys, because of the accuracy of the entry. So basically, I was able to scale up the lot size because the stop loss was only 10 pips because the entry was so good. It was so precise. So this is a 0.54. I got 2.27s here. And as we see, the trade began to take off, guys. UJ began to take off. As UJ began to take off, moments after, I was looking at the UJ buy where it's at, considering closing most of this position out, if not just some of it, because of the amount of pips that it's already traveled. I saw gold setting up for another sell opportunity. Now, this bearish price movement down is the first gold sell that I caught for the day. The scalp trade that I took that doubled my account to 272. But now I see that price looking like they want to continue down and go for this low just to create another lower low for the day. So that's why I went ahead and sold gold here. As time continues, guys, we see how this trading day continues to pan out for me. I went ahead and closed one of the USDJPY positions, bringing my balance into the lower 400s. I went ahead and closed both of the gold trades, because both of the gold positions I had open for small gains because gold didn't look like it wanted to keep dropping. They pretty much gave us all the drop that they were going to give us between Asian session and London session. So this was New York session when I had sold gold. They didn't look like they wanted to keep going down. So I went ahead and took profits on that. I was going to leave this one UJ buy open, but I went ahead and closed it out in partial profits. Now, the reason why I did that was because I was looking for the market to take out the previous day's highs, which they ended up doing anyway, but they didn't do it when I thought they were going to do it. So instead of me closing out the entire trade at one time, I took partial positions to give the trade, to allow it time to get to where I thought it was going to go. Looking at price, that's not what they were doing. So I just went ahead and closed everything out, took my money off the table. And as you can see, that's pretty much how I ended the day. It was just one day. It was pretty much, gold and UJ, sold gold twice, bought UJ once, and that was it. That was the account flip. So as you can see here, guys, the profit down at the bottom, you can see the deposit and everything like that. And this was all done, as you can see, on the 21st of August. The deposit was made on the 21st of August, and every single trade was executed on the 21st of August. And this was the end of our result here. All right. So again, guys, I shoot these videos not to impress you, but to impress upon you that if I did it, you can do it. No matter where you are in your Forex journey, this is possible. Trading is simple. All you need to do is create a plan, follow your rules. Always remember that risk management is key. Always define your risk to reward ratio. Only trade setups. Don't be greedy. At the same time, don't be fearful. Trade systematically. Consistency is always your biggest friend. And always remember to keep your balance and your equity more important than your profit always. If you can do these things, you can be successful in the financial markets, guys. I want to, of course, take this time to let you know that we have a trading community online. It's a Facebook group. I'm going to leave the link below in the descriptions in the comments where you can just join a community of traders, winners. We're just people that all have the same common goal, looking to push each other closer to our place of success in our foreign exchange journey. I'm also going to leave my email below, so you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me through email. And I'm also going to leave a link below where you can go to a website and get your hands on some of these trainings that I'm using, of course, to put strategies in place to take trades like this time and time again and just win in the market, pretty much taking out of it whatever we like. Guys, I'm also going to follow this video up with another video on how I took this 500 to 5,000 in just 9 days. All right. So again, you guys have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day. And I look forward to seeing you profitable in the market next week. Take care.